Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about UP Board Class 12 Syllabus 2023 to 2024. The subject-wise syllabus PDF is available for download on the official website, which is upmsp.edu.in. This year there is no major changes in the UP Board Class 12 syllabus. The syllabus is similar to the previous year. The marking scheme and pen paper pattern will also remain the same as the last year. As per the UP Board 12th exam pattern 2023 to 2024, the total marks for a subject will be 100 divided into theory 70 marks and practical 30 marks. The theory exams of subjects without practical will carry 100 marks. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Physics syllabus 2023 to 2024. In part A, static, electricity, magnetic effect of current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Electric current will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Electromagnetic waves will carry a weightage of 4 marks. In part B, optics will carry a weightage of 13 marks. Matter and dual nature will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Atoms and nuclei electronic device will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Chemistry Syllabus 2023 to 2024. Solutions will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, coordination compound will carry a weightage of 7 marks. DNF block element will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Haloalkenes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, biomolecules will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Amines, organic compound containing nitrogen, will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Biology Syllabus 2023 to 2024. Reproduction, biology and human welfare, ecology and environment will carry a weightage of 14 marks. Genetics and evolution will carry a weightage of 18 marks. Biotechnology and its application will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Maths Syllabus 2023 to 2024. Relations and function will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Algebra will carry a weightage of 15 marks. Calculus will carry a weightage of 44 marks. Vectors and three-dimensional geometry will carry a weightage of 18 marks. Linear programming will carry a weightage of 5 marks. Probability will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Accountancy Syllabus 2023 to 2024 for Part 1. The Part 1 Non-Profit Firms and Partnership Accounts consists the topics accounting for non-profit organization, meaning features, accounting of record, receipt and payment account, income, expenditure account, balance sheet. Partnership accounting basic concept, nature of partnership, features, deed, profit sharing, reconstitution of partnership form, types, admission of partner, new profit sharing ratio, retirement or death of a partner, dissolution of partnership. Part 2 Analysis of company accounts and financial statement consists the topic share capital of the company, meaning characteristics, types of company, share capital, meaning and classification, class and nature of shares, issue of shares, meaning of financial statement to the company, nature, purpose, types, utility, importance and limitations. Analysis of financial statement, meaning, importance, objective techniques, comparative statement, similar statement, trend analysis, limitation of financial analysis, cash flow statements, objective, profit, cash flow and calculation, preparation of cash flow statement. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Business Study Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Part 1 Principles and Functions of Management, Nature and Significance of Management, Principles of Management consists of weightage of 5 marks. Business Environment, Organizing, Directing consists of weightage of 10 marks. Planning, Staffing consists of weightage of 7 marks. Controlling consists of weightage of 6 marks. In Part 2 Business Finance and Marketing, Business Finance, Consumer Protection consists of weightage of 12 marks. Marketing consists of weightage of 16 marks. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 History Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Part 1, Chapter 1 consists of topics bricks, beads and bones, the Harappan civilization. In Chapter 2, topics are kings, farmers and towns, early states and economics. In Chapter 3, topics are kinships, caste and class, early societies. In Chapter 4, topics are thinkers, beliefs and buildings, cultural developments. In Part 2, Chapter 5, Through the Eyes of Travelers, perceptions of societies. Chapter 6, Bhakti Sufi traditions, changes in religious belief and devotional texts. In Chapter 7, An Imperial Capital Vijayanagar. In Chapter 8, Peasants, Zamindars and the State, Agrarian Society and the Mughal Empire. In Part 3, Chapter 9, consists colonialism and the countryside exploring official archives. In chapter 10, Rebels in the Raj, the revolt of 1857 and its representations. In chapter 11, Mahatma Gandhi and the nationalist movement, civil disobedience and the beyond. In chapter 12, framing the constitution, the beginning of a new era. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Geography Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Unit 1, the chapters are Human Geography. In Unit 2, the chapters are the world population, density, distribution and growth, human development. In Unit 3, the chapters are primary activities, secondary activities, territory and quaternary activities, transport, communication and trade, international trade based on the identification of features on world political map. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Geography Syllabus Section B for 2023 to 2024. In Unit 1, chapters are population, distribution, density, growth and composition. In Unit 2, chapter is human settlement. In Unit 3, the chapters are land resources, agriculture, water resources, mineral and energy resources, planning and sustainable development in Indian context. In Unit 4, chapters are transport and communication, international trade. In Unit 5, geographical perspective on selected issues and problems, and the map work based on marking and labeling on a political map of India. Let's check the UP Board Class 12 Civics Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Unit 1, the end of bipolarity, contemporary centers of power, contemporary South Asia consists of weightage of 20 marks. In Unit 2, international organization, security in the contemporary world consists of weightage of 15 marks. In Unit 3, environment and natural resources, globalization consists of weightage of 15 marks. In Part B, politics in India since independence. Unit 4, challenges of nation building, era of one party dominance, politics of plant development consists of weightage of 16 marks. In Unit 5, challenges to and restoration of the Congress system, the crisis of democratic order consists of weightage of 18 marks. In Unit 6, rise of mass movement, regional aspiration, recent development in Indian politics consists of weightage of 16 marks. Let's check the how to download UP Board Class 12 Syllabus 2023 to 2024. UP Board Class 12 Syllabus for all subjects is available for downloading PDF file on the official website. Students need to follow the below steps to download the syllabus. In step 1, you need to visit the official website, which is upmsp.edu.in. In step 2, navigate to the syllabus or Pathyagram section on the left hand side of the website. In step 3, select the subject from the class 12 column for which you wish to obtain the syllabus. In step 4, the syllabus in PDF format for your chosen subject will be automatically downloaded to your device. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.